One sunny morning, Benny Bear woke up feeling very hungry. He walked to the berry bush and found the most beautiful, juicy berries. Benny picked a big basket full of red strawberries and blue blueberries. On his way home, he saw his friend Rosie Rabbit sitting by a tree, looking sad. "What's wrong, Rosie?" asked Benny. "I'm so hungry, but I can't find any food," said Rosie. Benny looked at his big basket of berries. He had so many. "Here, Rosie. Have some of my berries," said Benny with a big smile. Rosie's eyes lit up. "Really? Thank you so much, Benny." Then they saw Oliver Owl looking tired on a branch. He was hungry too. Benny shared more berries with Oliver. Oliver hooted happily. Soon, Daisy Duck and Felix Fox came by. Benny shared with everyone. Now Benny's basket was almost empty. But something amazing happened. All his friends sat together, eating berries and laughing. Benny realized that sharing his berries made him happier than eating them alone. And you know what? The next day, all his friends brought him gifts to say thank you. Remember, friends, sharing makes everyone happy, especially you.